In next video you will learn about profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Now we are starting the lecture about trial balance. Here you can see the definition of trial balance. Trial balance shows the ending balances of all the accounts. Normally it will be prepared at the end of the year to close the yearly accounts. The debit and credit side of a trial balance must be equal to each other, otherwise a suspense account will be created to adjust the difference in balances. Trial balance is also known as bookkeeping worksheet with equal account balances. Trial balance has two columns, debit and credit with equal account balance. Normally debit side will show the account, expense account and asset account only, and the credit side of the trial balance show the balances of liability, capital and income accounts. Non-detectable errors in trial balance. Normally two side errors did not show in trial balance, where the debit and credit side of the accounts increase with the same balance or increase with the same mistake. We will also read rectification of the errors. Error of omission. Number 1, error of omission. The transaction was not entered into the system at all. We forget it. Find the transaction and make proper entry. It is the rectification of the error of omission. Error of original entry. The double entry transaction includes the wrong amount on both sides. For rectification, made the same entry with the balance amount if amount undercharged, and made this reverse entry if amount is overcharged with overcharged amount only, not by the total amount. Error of reversion. When a double entry transaction was entered with the correct amount, but the account to be debited is credited and the account to be credited is debited. So for rectification, reverse the entry with double amount of transaction actually made. The fourth error in this sequence is principal error. It is the error made due to the lack of accounting knowledge or non-clarification between revenue and capital expenditure. For example, wages paid to installer of plant is a capital expenditure, but accountant record it as a labor wages account mistakenly. For rectification, credit the labor wages account and debit it to plant account with the same amount. Here you can see the specimen of trial balance. You can see the expense and the asset is shown in debit side of the trial balance, while sale, revenue and liability is shown in credit side of the trial balance. The debit and credit side must be equal. Here credit side of the trial balance is more than from the debit side, so $162,000 suspense account will be created. There is some practical material for rectification of errors. You have to practice it. You will also use this link for practice. Thank you for this time. We will meet in next video. Keep smiling. Bye bye.